Hello everybody, lots going on in this video. I'm like wired and amped up. This is epic. It's Christmas time. Almost Christmas. Hope you guys are getting your Christmas shopping done. Look at all the stuff I got. I'm ahead of schedule this year. Doing really good. I love how it displays. It's such a cool thing as an adult because you get to enjoy the presents around the tree that you've gotten for other people all month long. And as a kid, you just got to see it on Christmas morning. Anyway, enough of yapping. I love how I just jump into video, just keep talking. We got new mods for the Colorado ZR2. That's awesome. I just sold one of the items that I had listed on eBay. This copy of Super Punch-Out. So I gotta get all that packaged and shipped out. Yeah, I have a retro video game collection. I know about 0.2% of you are actually interested in that because this is a car channel. Anyway, I gotta ship that out. And speaking of shipping stuff out, the porch pirates this time of year have been insane around my neighborhood. Everyone has been getting stuff just swept off their porch and stolen. It's awful. And I had these wheels and tires, both of them, on my porch for a very long time. Way longer than I should have because we had to work out some kinks, get the truck in order, and we were doing some other stuff in the meantime. So I took a risk. But luckily, I did not have to worry because I have one of the most badass security camera systems out there, eufy. And it covers 360 degrees around my house, including my front porch. So if someone would have tried to actually steal something off my porch, I would have had them caught red-handed. I could see whoever is coming to my door and get push notifications the second they do right to my phone. Eufy has a great built-in program, so it stitches together all of the events whenever it notices the same person transitioning from one camera to another, meaning you don't have to search through a bunch of files. If they're on your property and your camera catches them, Eufy's smart AI knows to stitch together all the videos and put it together in one nice, neat package. So it's easy for you to see everything that's going on from your front door, your driveway, the side of your house, the back of your house, inside your house, wherever. Eufy's got you covered. I recommend the 24/7 Smart Protection wired security cameras. And these are 4K cameras, so everything's gonna be super crystal clear. And the biggest bonus is it's insanely easy to install. Just take the 5 minutes to mount it up, plug it in, and it's ready to go. Connects directly to the HomeBase. And once you download the Eufy app, you can get live video feed from every single Eufy product right in the palm of your hand. I recommend a dash camera for your car, and what's more important than your car, but your house. If you guys are struggling for Christmas presents for mom, dad, a friend, I can assure you they will love this. And with my discount code, it comes at a great price. Check it out. First link in the description, Eufy, where they have a ton of different products on their website, and I can assure you one of them will fit your needs. Don't wait. I know all of us have been thinking about getting a security camera system eventually. Do it now before something happens. You want to be able to protect your asset, your home, in every way possible. Thank you guys so much for the support, and thank you, Eufy, for sponsoring this video. Dude, can we please see the truck now? No! We gotta go do more stupid stuff. My power washer just exploded. Let's take it apart and film it. You guys are interested in that, right? I mean, it exploded. I gotta wash the truck off because it's filthy. We decided to off-road with it the second I put the wheels and tires on. One of the most intense off-roading trips I ever did. Looked like this. Yep, that'll do it. You guys can't see it, but there's a little snapped or broken check valve in there. So, Merry Christmas to me. Thank you. Made in China. Absolutely. Dang it. We're gonna have to go get the truck cleaned up at the car wash. So, give me 2 seconds. I'm not gonna make you sit through that. Let's show you guys the tires right now. The next step in building the perfect Colorado ZR2. Huge shout out to Brink wheels. It's freezing cold out here, folks, but the truck looks so good. So freaking good. Toyo open country wheels. These are the mud terrains. And of course, Brink wheels. Everything's still a little bit dirty. The sponsor is gonna kill me for having the truck not perfect, but we put this thing through its paces. And let me tell you something, it did amazing. The most capable off-roading truck I've ever owned. Yeah, I'd say it's a proper way to have fun in like half an inch of snow. I really wish it would snow some more. Damn, these tires look so good. Oh my God, this truck every day. Just, I fall in love with it more and more and more. Dang, that looks good. I can smell the brakes. There's like no way now to turn off the traction control 100%. It's like, it's either on or you do that like half-assed, you turn it off, but there's like no way to like hold the button down anymore to like totally turn it off like you could on the old Colorado. So whenever you see the brake lights on, whenever I'm doing donuts, that's just the way it is. I'm sure there's some way to get around it, but I have yet to figure it out. In the shade, you can kind of get a good look at how these Brink wheels look. They're incredible. These were sponsored wheels. I worked with them before, but honestly, it's one of my favorite wheel companies at this point. I had these wheels on my Silverado ZR2 and now these on my Colorado ZR2, and they look fantastic. If you want a set, just a real quick plug here, you get $100 off if you use my code code RFR. So hit the link in the description if you want $100 off for your set of Brink wheels. Now you may have noticed something about the size of the tire. They're only 33s. I say only because they come factory with 33s, but these ones are way wider. These are super chunky tires. And I was honestly concerned we were gonna have some rubbing issues. I have spacers on the back, but not on the front, just because the front ones, if you don't have factory wheels, you try to throw spacers on, the studs are too big, so they collide with the back of the wheel. So we'll have to figure that out. But Brink, big shout out to them. Now the question is, we're on the hunt for some 35-inch tires. You can tell it's pretty freaking close here. It's really close. This piece will be able to come off back here, and I won't have to do any trimming. And I honestly think with the lift kit that we have, yes, I do have a lift kit, it's insane to believe, we'll be able to clear 35s no problem on this, and squeak 37s if we do a little bit of manipulation. Not too much that we're gonna like lose value or destroy the truck, but wouldn't that be sweet? So if you can already see what we have in store with the truck, with the black wheels, the wrap looks sick. Now you see, I'm kind of eager now to take the wrap off and see what the yellow looks like with the black wheels and the lift eventually. I think that's gonna look incredible. So the pieces that we're definitely missing now, because this truck looks a little naked still, even with the big chunky tires, the new wheels, the wrap, the tint, and of course all the bells and whistles that GM already throws on it, like rock sliders, the skid plate, the colored tow hooks, and a lot of the stuff blacked out. But we definitely need the bull bars in the front, the winch of course, and the back rack with the lights on top. That is a requirement. If not a back rack, at least an overland rack. I think both of those would look sweet. Tie all of this together and make this truck look fantastic. And then after all of that, maybe we go down the path that we did before with my older Colorado ZR2 and slap a wicked pattern wrap on this truck. I'll tell you what though, this wrap has definitely saved this truck some money, because look at the mirrors. Can you guys see how many scratches? Those are permanent scratches. I mean, it is bad. This isn't dirt. So all of that contact obviously hit the paint as well, and it was saved because of this wrap. So that's huge. Huge shout out to Liquid Wrap Labs for throwing on this wrap for me, Vinyl Frog for providing the wrap, Brink Wheels for these sick off-roading wheels. I mean, and they come at a great price. You can tell they sort of look like a competitor's wheels. I don't think I'm allowed to say which, but yeah, you guys can definitely tell which big company's wheels look just like this. Now these are a little bit different. I think they look a little bit better even, and they're way cheaper. So if you guys want something like this at a great price, yeah, make sure you hit up Brink. Great company, worked with them before, and they have amazing customer service. I really wish I had Ben. He was busy today. He could have made me like a sick montage of the truck and the wheels and everything all cleaned up, because I could have stopped at the shop and got this thing some tire shine. But you'll be seeing these wheels put to action in the very next video, where they tackle some of the toughest trails at Roush Creek. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you want to enter the Trail Boss giveaway that is going on right now with a C6 ZR1 that is fully built, and I got the opportunity to race it in Mike's C7 Corvette. That was a ton of fun. You guys will have to check out Street Speed's new video to see who won that race. Buy any one of my products. I'm pretty sure if you buy them tonight or within the next couple of days, we can still get it to you by Christmas. So this makes a great Christmas present, and you can let them know, whoever you're giving it to, that they have a great opportunity to win one of these sick vehicles. RF Racing here, signing off, knowing that another piece of the puzzle has been completed for the dream Colorado ZR2 build. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time.